Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by protecting data. Back up to iCloud or a computer so you can undo mistakes. Once backed up, free space, remove large apps, photos, or videos until you have around 10% free. Now restart the iPhone. A proper reboot clears transient memory. After it boots, swipe up and force close heavy background apps to stop interrupts. These steps remove storage constraints and clear RAM, which immediately reduces lag and creates a clean state for the deeper fixes to follow. Next, update iOS and all apps. Software updates often include performance fixes, so make sure you install them. Once updated, disable background app refresh for apps you don't need and reduce motion in accessibility settings to cut animation overhead. Go to Settings General iPhone Storage and offload rarely used apps. This retains data but frees code space. Also review large message threads and clear old attachments. These changes lower CPU and GPU load, which improves responsiveness during For stubborn lag, reset network settings to clear faulty connections. If issues persist, choose Reset All Settings. This keeps data but reverts preferences that may cause slowdowns. If performance remains poor, restore from your backup or perform a DFU restore as a last resort to reinstall firmware and system software. Make sure to check battery health. A worn battery under 80% max capacity can throttle performance, so replace it if needed. If you hit problems, try the reset steps before hardware changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.